Visualization has a great power, plays the vital role, important role in our life. Without visualization nothing is possible. First we visualize, then we get. Whatever you see day-to-day life, whom you meet, and where you go to meet someone, first of all that guy images comes in your mind, and you visualize that guy, then you meet. Without visualization not possible to go anywhere. You can't reach, you can't get anything that if you don't have the power of visualizing. So start enhancing the power of visualization. You learn how to visualize. I give you the very simple technique. You visualize everything whatever you do day-to-day life. Suppose you are shy and you are very agitated and you want to be the public speaker. So you start visualizing. You visualize that you are standing at a stage in front of lakhs of people. You are delivering your speech. In spite of being shy and agitated, you are speaking fluently in front of lakhs of people. They are hearing you, paying attention, and you become the fluent speaker. First you visualize, later or sooner you will be